Okay, the next thing is now how to view bank accounts through payment gateways. If you click here, this form will appear. You search. From this search, you can see that there are a couple of options. There's InterSwitch debit through ATM card. There's PayPal. There's cash over counter option. There's bank option. There's cash envoy. This one is actually a payment aggregator. It works just like InterSwitch, but you won't have to pay the standard monies that InterSwitch requests for, you know, but you always have to request for payout, and their commission is a little bit higher than what InterSwitch takes. Then there's GTPay. It also takes credit card and debit cards. Now, if you look at it by default, just these two are active. The other ones will have to be enabled. Why? Because even though InterSwitch has been integrated into the system, it's still you still need to apply to InterSwitch, get a merchant ID before you can come here, edit your account, key in your merchant ID, and proceed. The same thing applies to PayPal, Cash Envoy, and GTP. But for this other one, I'll just, for the bank option, I'll give you your personal bank account or your corporate bank account. You just come here, edit, type the name of your bank. Let's say home office, bank, the account name, sample years, account number, and it's the currency is naira, the country, and the base currency. This base currency is just to help the system know, okay, this new bank account or payment gateway you're adding, how will the system calculate, do the calculation compared to the base currency or your main company currency. When you're done, you save. So now that this has been saved, anybody that's buying on the site, like I come here to the main store and click on bank deposit option, I'll see, if I select, I'll see the M Office Community Bank. If I click on it, you see, I'll see the currency, I'll see the account name, I'll see the account number. This information we just added right away. You can add, going back to the admin, and you can come here and add as many bank accounts as possible. It's also possible that you have you have an account with VStock, merchant bank, and the title of the account is Gideon Dan. The account number is this, and the currency is NG. Country is Nigeria, and the conversion rate is 1.0. 1.0. Sorry. You register. If you come here and view bank accounts or payment gateways, search, you observe that a new bank has been added and is active. From the customer's end, I come here and refresh this, you see that from this this, you can see the two banks. If I click on this one, this information I just added now. So it depends on the customer to decide which one he or she is going to make payments into. So you can use your company's corporate account, you can use your personal account. The major thing is just for you to start from where you are. That's just how the bank payment gateway works. But if you want to use Cash Envoy, you have to visit Cash Envoy website, sign up for a standard merchant account, and send the merchant ID. Edit this place. Click on edit, put your merchant ID here, and see. Let's assume the merchant ID is 1001. I save this. It's not enough to just click here and save. You would have to, view the payment gateway, search, and enable it by clicking the yes button. And even after you've enabled it, it will still not propagate immediately. All you will have to do is at this point, you have to send an email to info@vstore, an email to this address. Notifying us that okay, you created your merchant account with Cash Envoy and this is your merchant ID, so that we can communicate with Cash Envoy and instruct them to activate your account. This measure is just to ensure that there is no fraudulent activity or any fraudulent account, receiving money through their gateway. So that's how the payment bank account and payment gateway work.